We'd like to share with you a little bit of information about our dual enrollment program here at Savannah Christian. Attached to the email that came with this video is a document from Savannah Christian containing all the information in this presentation and much more. Dual enrollment gives our students the opportunity to earn college credits while they're taking their high school classes, and Georgia's program will pay for the cost of the college classes and the textbooks. So, in essence, our students get to go to college for free while they're still in high school. Savannah Christian partners with Point University to offer dual enrollment. Why Point University? Well, Point is an accredited private Christian university in West Point, Georgia, but they have a branch here in Savannah. Point shares our mission. Their professors teach with a Christian worldview. The other thing that is beneficial about Point is that they come to the Savannah Christian campus and teach the classes in our classrooms rather than our students having to drive to a college campus. Otherwise, students might have difficulty with scheduling and logistics, or parents might have concerns about the safety of their high school students on a college campus. So Point brings college to the Savannah Christian campus. Now, students going into 11th and 12th grade next year will be eligible for dual enrollment classes. This is in addition to the other courses that we offer. We want to make sure that our students have every opportunity with traditional Savannah Christian courses, dual enrollment, and advanced placement courses. So these are the offerings that we have for our 11th and 12th graders. You'll notice that there are a few additional courses that are offered only for our seniors. There are some entrance requirements for students interested in participating in dual enrollment. They must have a 3.0 GPA. They must meet the prerequisites for the course and, as already stated, be a rising junior or senior. And they must be accepted by Point University. So they will need to complete a college application to Point University and then submit all the online forms that Point requires. And we are more than happy to help you with that process. Now, a few things that Point University wants to make sure that you are aware of. Students should not plan on dropping or withdrawing from a course. Students are only allowed to miss a set number of classes, and Point does not differentiate between excused and unexcused absences. Now, the Point professors have been wonderful about working with our students around athletics and school-required activities, but students should understand that they have to be committed to attending class. Of course, the professors understand there are extenuating circumstances that arise and will take those into consideration. Additionally, it is imperative that a Point University dual enrollment student be responsible. They will need to keep up with their work for both Point and Savannah Christian, and there's also an additional online platform and email address that must be used for Point. Point also asks that the students be responsible to handle their dealings with their professor. So, if a student wants to proceed with dual enrollment, what do they need to do? Well, there are two attachments to the email that came with this video, one from Savannah Christian and one from Point. The first document from Savannah Christian includes all the information from this video, as well as the course offerings and frequently asked questions. The second from Point is the step-by-step details for how to complete their application process. So let's look at the Savannah Christian document. First, you will need to complete the Google form. You can use the QR code or the link in the document. Complete this form to let Savannah Christian know what courses you are interested in taking. Then you will follow the Point document to actually apply to Point University. You will complete their online application. The instructions, again, are attached to the email. Returning students do not need to reapply, but should instead just sign into their current account and then move to Step 3. Step 3, you will complete several forms that Point requires in addition to their online application, and Point will provide these. Another item to point out are some of the most frequently asked questions that we receive. Is there a limit to the number of hours that students can take for free? Yes, Georgia has a 30-hour cap on free hours. So the state will pay for the first 30 semester hours. The majority of the courses are 3 semester hours and a few are 4 semester hours. Students are welcome to take additional hours beyond the 30 at points rate of $250 per semester hour. Another item to stress is that each college and university has their own policy on how they accept college credits. Because Point is a member of the Southern Association of Colleges and Schools, the credits should transfer to colleges both inside and outside the state of Georgia, but the final determination is up to the institution. So you are encouraged to contact your program advisor about the dual enrollment courses that you are interested in taking. In terms of what dual enrollment courses students can sign up for, in the SCPS document that came with this email is a detailed layout of all the courses that are available to juniors and then available to seniors. Now, a few things that you will want to notice about this schedule. When you go to complete the Google form, the courses will be listed just as this one is, HIS 103. So you'll be able to look at this table in the SCPS document to see what course that actually is. So for instance, this course, HIS 103, is U.S. Government. You'll also be able to see if there's a prerequisite for the course. For instance, there is no prerequisite for U.S. Government, but there is a prerequisite for the macroeconomics class that you have to have taken Point's college algebra class. Additionally, for each course that you sign up for in the fall, you can see the options that are available for you for the second semester. Something else important to notice is that some classes rotate and some classes are only offered first period. So if courses are only offered first period, you would only be able to select one of those classes each semester. Also, in the attached document from Savannah Christian are numerous other frequently asked questions that might be helpful. But if you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us and let us know how we can help you. Thank you.